Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-350 in a Platinum trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a ReadyLIFT Level Kit installed in the front there, giving you some more ride height. Do also have power deployable running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in, and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back seat, we have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more right there with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet. You also have heated rear seats, which can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge here for added security. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors. You have 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. You also have massaging front seats, which are nice for those long trips. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see that it's sitting at only 17,330 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip and fuel information, so your trip 1, 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass. Then you can look at your truck info, look at your gauge views, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine information, transmission temperature, and maintenance monitor. You have all of your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers toasty. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen, you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, your hazards, hill descent assist, lane departure warning or lane keeping system, and your camera view with the front and 360. And you have a premium B&O Sound System in this truck, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical media controls and your physical climate controls here with dual zone front climate again, as well as your heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, trailer brake controller, and pro trailer backup controller. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. And you have this compartment down here, which opens up to reveal a USB, USB-C, and a wireless charging pad. So if your phone is compatible, just throw it on there and it will begin to charge. And quickly looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end for, you have normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then looking at your center console, where you have 2 cup holders that can be turned into 4, or if you want to just have more space here for all your stuff. And then you have a locking center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof, so you can land in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.